a spark-free cutting solution for rebar and steel rod without the cord. The Makita 18-volt LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Rebar Cutter. The XCS01Z will cut up to 60 grade number 6 rebar with a cutting range of 1/8 inch to 3/4 inches and a cutting head that rotates a full 360 degrees. The long-lasting cutting blade provides up to 4,000 cuts before requiring replacement. It's an ideal solution for work away from a power source or in remote locations.
Yeah, the Makita rebar cutter is great. It saves a lot of time. A lot of state regulations don't allow us to use torches on certain job sites. I have uncles and cousins that are in the rebar industry that have their own companies, and I highly would recommend this tool to them.
The hard-working XCS01Z is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge time in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger.
The new fuel drill performed every task that we needed it to do. It was very versatile.
When we had to drill our holes from each floor through the wood, it just ate right through it. The power was there, the variable speed was also there that we could use.
For lateral drilling, 2x4s, double 2x4s, we can go through that with 2-inch bit, no problem. And the batteries, it's one battery for the day. It's compact, it fits real nice in between the studs.
I was able to fit in all the small areas that we needed to use it for. The power was just phenomenal.
It's definitely shorter, more compact. The balance is right there where you need it. The power to weight ratio is awesome.
The new Milwaukee drill is definitely faster. I can definitely feel the difference. You just pull the trigger and it just goes right at it. There's like no wait time, no lag.
The new fuel drill ran at a very fast speed, which was nice because it was easier to get the job done quicker. The new fuel drill is compact, it's powerful, it's versatile. It's about the only tool that you need to get the job done.
Finally, a more efficient solution for dispensing caulk and adhesives. Introducing the 18-volt LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 29-ounce caulk and adhesive gun. It's part of a series of Makita cordless caulk and adhesive guns designed to provide faster dispensing speed for increased productivity. An industry-leading 1,100 pounds of dispensing power means more efficient dispensing even with high viscosity materials in cold weather conditions. The caulk and adhesive gun is equipped with a variable speed trigger and 5-speed dial to match the speed to the application for an even bead at all viscosity levels. The drip reduction feature relieves pressure when the trigger is released to minimize unintentional dispensing. This tool is equipped with an LED light for improved visibility, as well as an overload indicator light that notifies the operator when the tool is nearly overloaded to minimize breakage of the sealants. It'll accommodate caulk and adhesives in the most widely used sizes for industrial applications.
I really like the Makita product. A lot lighter, it works really well. No button to free anything. Really nice gun.
Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger.
Don't let plug pipes drain your wallet. Reach for the 24-volt cordless automatic drain auger core tool from Sunjo to clear out clogs with less stress and strain than a manual drain auger, and for less than the price of a plumber visit. Weighing less than 8 pounds, the portable handheld unit powers through clogged drains around your home, or anywhere powers at a premium. Powered by Sunjo's exclusive eco-friendly Ion Plus lithium-ion battery system, 24V DRN CLN offers multiple battery power options for rechargeable runtime with no fade power and performance and a world of 24-volt tool possibilities. The variable speed trigger adjusts with simply a squeeze from 0 to 560 RPM to quickly break up blocked plumbing faster than traditional manual augers. The flexible steel cable extends, retracts, and rotates to feed easily down into and then back out of the drain. The 1/4-inch wide by 25-foot long metal cable with corkscrew tip dislodges obstructions up to 20 feet down the drain pipe and is designed for clearing conventional plumbing up to 2 inches in diameter. The onboard drum with built-in drain plug neatly coils up the retracted cable and drains easily to prevent standing water in the unit. And the included LED light provides extra visibility when a little light is needed in tight or dark spaces. Plus, every Ion Plus tool is backed by our complete 2-year warranty. So next time you've got a backed up drain, go with Joe and grab the 24V DRN CLN cordless automatic drain auger core tool from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
DeWalt gets you right to work with cordless confidence. Introducing 4 new additions to our ever-expanding 20V Max XR cordless nailer lineup. The DeWalt 20V Max 18-gauge brad nailer, equipped with a micro nose for line of sight and accuracy of nail placement. The 18-gauge narrow crown stapler, versatile yet agile to take on a variety of projects and provides you with the hold you need without holding you back. The 15-gauge angled finish nailer, incorporating a micro nose for accuracy where it counts and ready to finish what you started. The 18-gauge flooring stapler. It's ready to install flooring from 3/8 inch to 5/8 inch with ease. Framing, flooring, finish, completely cordless from start to finish. Part of our ever-growing family of nailers, DeWalt. Guaranteed tough.
The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion compact bandsaw. Most compact in class. Heavy-duty aluminum base. 2.5-inch cutting capacity. Quick and easy blade change.
New Bosch Cool-Pack batteries are designed to reduce heat buildup. These high-efficient battery packs stay cooler and live longer, featuring an integrated fuel gauge and superior cold weather performance.
Slim pack for lightweight, or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Tough as nails. Never lets you down. The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion compact bandsaw. Bosch. Invented for life.
2 new drywall tools engineered to work all day with the speed and power to unplug the cord. Introducing an 18-volt brushless drywall screwdriver and an 18-volt cutout tool that can keep up with the high productivity standards of drywall contractors. The 18-volt LXT drywall screwdriver is powered by an efficient and powerful brushless motor and features Makita's exclusive push drive technology. With push drive, just set the trigger in lock-on mode and the motor will start only when the fastener is engaged. This means lower noise on the job site since the motor only runs when you need it to run. It also saves battery power for longer run time. In internal testing, this cordless screwdriver drove enough fasteners to hang up to 40 sheets of drywall on a single charge. You also get the 18-volt cutout tool with a slim body design and 30,000 RPM for fast cutting. With the Makita 4 amp-hour battery, this cordless tool is engineered to make enough cuts for up to 100 gang boxes on a single charge. The 4.0 amp-hour battery provides 35% more runtime per charge than the 3.0 amp-hour battery. And it charges in only 40 minutes, so it spends more time working and less time sitting on the charger.
DeWalt is changing the way work gets done with innovation for electrical trade.
It's fast. It gives you a clean cut. I used to use a knife and that was tiring. Fingers would be cut up. Now I use a cable stripper. I go home safely.
Strip cable quickly and cleanly every time. No knife needed.
A lot of jobs will not allow you to strip wire with knives anymore. So for those particular sites, this tool is a must.
Cut overhead threaded rod without chips, sparks, or burrs. No exposed blade.
I like how easy it is to use. I like the way it cuts the all thread. I'm actually really shocked at how clean it cuts this thing. And I really like the tool.
This is innovation, designed with safety and productivity in mind. All part of the 100 plus products in our 20-volt Max system. by DeWalt.
Bringing the functionality of a manual lopper and power of a chainsaw, the Craftsman V20 Chainsaw Lopper will become one of your most trusted tools. This lopper is able to cut branches up to 4 inches in diameter, making it a smart choice for routine trimming and storm cleanup. The compact design means you can use it in tight spaces or when pruning trees and shrubs. Plus, the scissor-type action and clamping jaws allow you to grab and cut multiple smaller branches quickly. It's equipped with a simple-to-use safety lock and hangs for storage when you're done. Offering true 2-in-1 performance, the Craftsman V20 Chainsaw Lopper makes outdoor projects easy. Craftsman, we build pride.